Hi, my name is Dylan. I'm going to talk all about screwdrivers. And the first one we're going to draw a circle, and this one. And it's a flat circle. And you need to see a line on it. And then you get the screw, and then you hit it in there, and then you twist it.
Okay. Which way do you twist it? Righty, tighty?
Righty, tighty, lefty, loosey.
What was that again, Dylan?
Righty, tighty, lefty, loosey. This is a Robertson screwdriver. You have to do a circle and a square in the middle, and then you get the screwdriver, and then you need to find that one. Then you put it in, and then you twist it. Now, this screwdriver is a Phillips. You need to do the same ones like this. A circle, and it's different. It's like a minus. You put that marker down. You have the white screwdriver. You have to make it have like a star. And then you pick the blue star one, and then you twist it.
Which way do you twist it?
Righty is tighty, lefty is loosey. This is like a screwdriver. This have electricity, and this go faster. You need to hold tight. Bye. I hope you all like about screwdrivers.